Hey,
go.
we're gonna take out the revolving center. I miss my cameraman, Kenzie.
Too bad, son.
Then we're gonna put in this thing here. This is the drill chuck.
Drill chuck.
The drill chuck is slightly different from the revolving center. At the end, it has a flat. Okay. So what happens is that if I were to, the flat needs to be 180 degrees this side, and then you can insert. Okay. Then so what you need to do is 180 degrees flat this way. Then the thing comes out a certain portion, and then you hammer it in. Okay. And then you move it to check, make sure it's secure. Okay. Now if it is not flat, if it is at any other angle, and then you hammer it in, you may think that it's in, but actually it's not. You see? Okay, so this has a locator. It needs to go 180 degrees. And then it's firm. Alright? Now once this is done already, you loosen it up, and you need to take one of these tools, which is called the center drill. Center drill. We're going to do center drilling, and we're going to center drill such that there is one third the height of this slope here. Okay, like the milling one, so that you have a bit of a chamfer. Okay. So how do you install this here? You need to make sure that you loosen the chuck jaws by turning it, right? And then you need to wiggle it and make sure that all three jaws are clamping onto the center drill. It's very important. Okay. So once it's tight already, you secure it. It's tight. You move it to the front. Okay, you move it to the front. Now this part is going to be very dangerous because there are a lot of things going on here and very near. You need to visualize and ensure that your cutting tool is out of the way and is not in the path of this jaw. Okay? If you are not sure, what you can do is you can always open it up before you start. Before you start, you just move and check and make sure that things are okay and out of the way. You see, if it was here, it's still okay, but it's very close. Imagine if I was this close, and if I were to start, then what will happen is that the jaw will bang onto the tool. Okay, so this is very dangerous. So you need to make sure that everything is out of the way right before you start the machine.
Why don't we just remove this?
What?
Why don't we just remove this? Remove this.
Yes, you can also. If you don't feel safe, you want to remove it, no problem. It won't change your center height. Okay? Right? If you want to feel safe, you remove it, also can. Then after that, you're ready, right? So you lock this down. Okay? And the drilling is at 1200 RPM as well. Same. Okay? So what happens is you put on your goggles. You turn on the machine, and then you rotate this down. Can you see? Now you only lock this. If you don't lock this, and then if you rotate the dial, what will happen is you won't drill. You will just push this tail stop back. Right? Because there is no resistance to the force. So you need to lock this down, and then you drill. Then the drilling motion is hacking. Okay? Go in and out. Right? So make sure you drill until you have a cone shape there, then you stop. Then you're good. Okay? Right? So 1/3 into the cone, then you're fine. Alright, so let's go back, let's do this. Then I'll show you the next step.